Hey, hello YouTube. So there's BOE news today during New York. I'm not trading for the rest of the week. So anything you see on the charts are just paper trades. So if you need help with your analysis, you can just send a chart. Go went nuts because there was this BOJ news just now. So on GJ, if anyone is still looking to scalp GJ, it's a little bit too high right now unless it pulls back to this area. If not, don't bother scalping this because it might reject. This area here, 152, 500. If I plot a zone here on the left, on the daily, it's the previous week area. So it's looking a bit dodgy now if you want to buy this high. So if you buy it, get it lower near the previous resistance at 152, 250, then you can take it for to fill the clean candle. Other than that, I don't really like GG. I ever looked into Wyckoff. Yes, it's more info than I need to execute.
Oh, I wanted to buy GJ when I woke up. So sad. And I didn't know there was news yesterday. My goal position just disappeared.
Bro, you didn't know you're talking about FOMC the whole day. 2 a.m.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Yeah. Yeah, there was a slight chance. It came down, it pushed down.
Is it?
It pushed down at first.
I just saw one big candle.
Oh, but after that, it pushed down, get liquidity, then after that fly to the sky already.
Was it good for? It was bad for USD, is it? The news.
They kept it the same.
How is that bad?
I think maybe it's priced in, then it corrected. I don't know, man. I honestly didn't follow. It's like I see this FOMC, I just know to stay away.
Oh, it already happened. That's why I thought it was like the 8:30 p.m. news.
No.
I didn't check.
Remove. Put Alexine time up.
Hello.
Hey.
Yo.
Can we need somebody gonna time out?
No, I wanted to put Alexine time up just for fun.
Oh. Okay.
Because he called me pigutong today. So rude, this boy. Not trading. Just looking at the pairs that you are looking at.
ERX.
EA has been rejecting this level. 52,700. And do you still looking to short EA? Not now. But you have this level also, is it? 700-ish level.
Was anybody on goal?
Now?
Earlier. Just before about 3:30 that. 3:30. Yeah. 3:30.
What was the big push down? Where did
BOJ news.
Oh,
Mm.
it affects the goal?
Yeah.
Bank of Japan. Safe haven, ma.
Safe haven.
Yeah, it went down like 170 pips. Like what?
Yeah. But even look at GJ, right? The news came out, the entire move got corrected. And it went even higher. It's like they forgot to jam brake when they corrected. And they're like, oh shit, overshot.
I'm thinking of putting a buy limit.
Oh, GJ or goal?
GG.
Tonight got BOE, ah.
Oh,
That's why
Every night got
I'm not
party,
trading already. Yeah, I'm done for this week.
Much news.
maybe this kind of rangy movements need to scalp. Very hard to swing. I don't know.
But this whole week, GJ never really moved very far. Like even
Yeah,
if
that's why.
it move is like very choppy and it will keep retracing.
Yeah, that's why it's very hard to like the swing method or the trail by 1 hour method. Very hard.
You cannot trade it too tight. It's like either you set and forget, put a TP, then that's it.
Yeah, I feel like it's easier for scalp, like scalping movements, quick scalps.
Yeah. Thanks, Bricky. Maybe the losing streak is a pullback.
Yeah.
I win too much already, so now I need
Like,
to pull back. I literally
consolidation.
refunded all my profits. It's damn annoying. Like almost all gone already.
Now is the consolidation phase.
Honestly, I don't know whether I really didn't go and see whether the news is positive or negative. I just know that at this timing, I'm going to stay away from the charts. I'm not going to have any entries at that time. If I do have entries leading into this time, I'm going to make sure it's at break even. I don't
Yeah,
really care.
I should have put it at break even. Yeah.
Yeah, so John, sorry, I'm not the best fundamental person. I really don't care. Because I've traded 7 years, this shit doesn't really affect my trading. You can tell a lot from the charts already. So I just choose to stay away from timings when there's very major news. Easier that way. Yeah, Peter, if I don't take a trade, I've still called trades just now. If you want to take, I don't have to take a trade. Doesn't mean you cannot take a trade. So this can be a break and retest, like what I said just now. Break, retest, go up, but only to this area that I can see, to fill this area, because this area here, On the left at 152,500, you look left, it's a daily rejection zone for me. So be careful.
You think gold can correct the entire move yesterday? The entire
Gold?
news, yeah, the news candle. Because before the news, I felt like it was bearish.
It was, but if you look at the what's that the strength of the bulls, right, is that higher low all the way. And I think they hit into that resistance a lot of times already. So the catalyst was the news. Yeah. Plus, if you look at the rejection now, right, it really rejected off that previous resistance and then also rejected the latest 61. So I think it's actually going to retest and go up. It's like it kind of changed the trend already.
What time frame are you looking at?
1 hour. I will only
looking at daily,
trust
it still looks very bearish.
Daily.
Yeah.
Overall, yes. I mean, the higher, like you go daily, weekly, all that, yes, it's still bearish. But now, right, I see potential of it going to 1775 actually. Yeah. Because it already broke and closed. Yesterday's daily candle closed above the daily resistance already. So now could be retest and maybe go higher. Don't I post the Zoom link in Slack? Hello to you too. Because I'm focusing on the paid students now. And I've been taking some time off. No, Nadim, I'm not trading. It hasn't retested yet. It broke, hasn't retested. Nothing on the 15 to the 30. This thing not counted, I think. This one is a fake move. I think what?
This will be a good entry. Like what you call it? It was looking to fill this candle.
On the 15 now.
Yeah, so when it broke the high, because I just woke up, then I was looking at GG, then like what happened? Then I saw that it was gonna break. I was thinking, like, would this be a good entry for quick like scalp until the top?
It's only if you trade the Raja method, oh. Yeah. Break the weak high, enter. Stop loss below this. So
but it's because of this candle, you know.
Yeah, but if
candle.
I feel like if you wanted to enter this big candle move, right? This move here, late. I rather, because there's a support here. So for me, this whole area is support, right? So for me, when this thing forms support here, when it flip, then just enter. Wait, let me draw. Enter stop loss below and just go up to this area. You know me, I don't like to enter support late one. You understand? This is the entry candle for me. If it break out here, right, this is damn late already.
Why would it be late?
The only reason why you're not saying it's late is because you have this giant ass candle.
Yeah, that's the thing. Because if there's don't have this candle, right, yeah, I would think it's
you won't
late.
even enter, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking if you were to enter here, right, it's like in the middle of a range, you know, like a consolidation area. Would you think like that? Like
You wouldn't.
it could easily like that, you know.
At that time, looking at this, right, and pre-London move, right, I think it will push. I've noticed this pattern a lot of time already. Push to around 2 o'clock our time, chill for a bit, then bam, go again. Yeah, but you cannot squeeze the stop.
Was this a London Open or pre-London?
Sorry. One is pre.
Okay.
It's after the 4-hour close also.
Okay, give me a while. Sorry.
Considering the US dollar news, obviously. Considering it for, like, it's already passed. Jason, did Raja say anything about the Zoom for today? Did he give any insights? I haven't gone on to Slack in a while. Oh shit, he just said he'll be back. Okay, never mind. The card is on now. Our favorite lady.
Where?
Bruno, my personal opinion is that GJ here at this current area, right, is very extended. These pullbacks, right, they worry me actually because they are very, very shallow. So every time it's very shallow like this, I don't like to enter because I'm not sure if the next thing it will just break the minor resistance. But obviously it could still go. But look at this move. This is screaming overextended. So I don't want to buy high. Only place I will look to buy is around this major resistance here at either 152 200, if not then 152 100. So this area is a bit worrying.
If I were to put a buy limit, my stop loss would be very far. That's the
Yeah.
only worry.
Yeah. Is there a baby? Is there a baby in your house?
Yeah, my relatives came.
Oh.
Sorry, I mute myself.
Extending your stop loss. Structurally, the stop loss should be here. If you are using the 15, right, Bruno, for me, this entry is like the entry is off already for me. If you want your stop loss, if you're taking the entry here on the retest, stop loss is here. Because this is the latest structure, right? You don't want it to break below. So there isn't really, I think there's a limit as to how far you can expand the stop loss. This one don't really need such a big one. It's like this area structurally, this makes sense.
You know, I realized something.
Hmm?
Like the past 2 weeks, I've been very ambitious with my risk to reward. Like I don't secure profits as much as last time.
That's
I
what I
mean,
realized also that I missed yesterday. I think yesterday was like that actually.
it was good lah because like last month it
It
was on
worked
a
out.
bullish run, right? So
Mm.
it's easy.
Yeah.
But when it ranges,
You gotta watch the structure more carefully.
yeah, it's I don't know. I'm like stuck at like break even to like -2%.
Yeah, that's okay lah. Not that bad. No sound? Wait ah. Be right back.
Mm.
Sorry, Martin, were you saying something halfway?
No, just that point, I guess.
This week I'm down 3%. No, not even that. Sorry, it's not even 3%. Because I take my trades 2% each, right? So I lose 3 times already. I'm done. I'm done for this week.
2% per trade.
Hit my limit.
Yeah, usually you take 3 losses in a row then stop, right?
Yeah, my criteria is 6% or three. If I really 3 losses in a row, wow, I don't even want to touch really. So I think I got problem. It's either I got problem or the chart got problem or both of us got problem. I clear my mind. I take a 5-minute meditation before. But it's not really to clear the mind, just for me to settle down.
What? Hang from the balcony outside?
Who does
Huh?
that? Not much would be easy to trade compared to low volume like that. February was actually so much better for me. And March I kept getting like shot down. I mean partial, like the previous weeks were like mostly my mistake. But this week is like wow. But this next week, right? Because it's the end of Q1 and it's the last week of the month. Please chill with your trades. Sometimes there's quite a bit of profit taking at the end of a quarter. Don't go ham on the charts. Yeah, Heisenberg, my trade went into profit. So yesterday, right, I was in profit for quite a while actually. But for me, so yesterday my trade was here. I took it dipping here. No, here. Yeah, my stop loss was below. Yeah, I took it like this yesterday. So yeah, so for me yesterday, right, when I took the trade, I had a 4-hour zone here on the top, the grey box that you see. So it came down. I think some of you were asking how come I didn't cut here, but like you can see, it didn't even touch my stop loss. But when it went up, when it created a higher low at this area, when I was looking at the 1 hour, right, it makes sense for me to hold the trade. So if I secure here, it doesn't meet my criteria because my first area I wanted to secure, right, was initially here, these 4-hour highs, because that's the way I took the trade based on the 4-hour structure. Right, subsequently when it continued making higher highs, there's no reason for me to take the trade. If I cut my trade early, then I might as well not have entered on the 4-hour. Because if I keep cutting my profit short like that, right, then I'm not really following my analysis anymore. But the only way I would have tried to protect the trade a bit is, since it was making higher lows, after this one was made, the only way I could have protected the trade was shift the stop loss higher. But I will not secure because it makes no sense. If I secure half here, then when I reach here, I don't even get my full profits, which means I didn't even trust my trade. So that's just a personal thing. Because if I keep doing that, right, overall my risk reward is messed up already, and I'll still be negative because my wins will not cover my losses. So if you secure 50% of your profit, do the math. It depends. If you secure 50% of your profit, you need to put your trade at BE also. For me, it doesn't make sense to secure 50% and leave the trade open. Leave the stop loss open. Doesn't make sense. So it has to be both together. Make your trade risk free and then you take some profits. But I had no area here to make the trade risk free properly, so I didn't. And I think it's about accepting the loss also.
Damn, did you hear the news yesterday?
What
The
about?
Atlanta, the shooting.
Really?
Yeah. A lot of people say it's a racist, like hate crime. It was a massage parlor.
Who? Asian?
The Asian woman. I think 6 Asian women.
Damn. On the shit.
And he said it was sex addiction. But
You sex
I don't.
addiction, then you shoot people? A bit wrong, right?
Yeah.
It's not about the R, but let the profit run. If you have losing streaks, you'll be fine. Yeah, I agree with that. That's why I'm still like, okay, so for me, right, I have these two schools of thought. Going by RR is very systematic. You no need to think. So let's say I'm leaving the trade overnight, right? I'll just go by RR and then I'll let it trail up because I'm not watching the chart. But if I'm actively watching the chart, right, I can still watch the structure. So that's my two. It's like a backup plan, I would say, the RR method of trading the stock. If you're actively watching, then just use the structure, it's safer. Plus, if I squeeze it by cutting half of the profits, right, then it continues my way and I was actually right and I lose a very big move, I'll be very upset. I'll be even more upset than hitting the stop loss actually. So it's a preference, I think. Your 50% put stop loss below or above or 1 hour. No, below a candle is not structure. For me, it's never structure. So, for example, if I took this, that, yes, again, back to yesterday's trade, right? If I took it somewhere out, whatever, somewhere here, I think. So if I took it here, the structure for me is support, support, support. The two candles. It's not one candle. It's never one candle. Unless you're using one candle because you use the lower time frame structure, then that again is wrong in itself. Yeah. One candle is not structure to me. Or use magic keys for trade. Nope. I don't use magic keys anymore. Magic keys cannot do what I said. The one about trailing, it cannot do it. In fact, I stopped promoting magic keys on my site already. Because, not just because I have my own tool, but because I don't agree with the price anymore. Just my 2 cents. Yeah, 1:2 risk reward, 1:3. I'm more able to handle it. Like consistently, like 1:30, 1:50, whatever lah. Good for you if you can get it. I cannot. That's not my skill set, so oh wells. No ND, cannot. I don't know how to. No, Magic Keys is not really more. It's not really more for scalpers. It's just more of a tool where you can set your things, right? Press buttons, everything is on it. Then you can just literally leave the chart after that. So you don't. So for example, if you entered the trade here, okay, for example, this one here. If you enter the trade here, and if this candle actually broke below the wick low, right? You can just set your partial stop loss here, and then if it hits, it will close it. It will close half of it. So the reason why he came out of it is because some people, when it comes down to the partial stop loss, right, they don't close it. They're like, oh, maybe it will continue up. Then they leave the trade, and then the next thing you know, bye bye, stop loss gets hit. So that was the reason why he came out of it. It's objective. You set it, if it hits, get on with your life. Because you set it yourself, so that's the reason. I don't think it's just for scalpers. But it makes it faster, that's about it. Faster and more objective, that's about it. Yeah, there's no trade. What did you miss? Big candles do not equal a trade. More for beginners. No? Okay. Look at the buttons on this. It's not really for beginners. It just makes your execution a bit faster. So by clicking like input risk and all this kind of nonsense thing, right? You don't have to open another website like a position size calculator or something. You don't have to just leave this open and before you enter a trade, go and key it into this site to get your units. You don't have to do it. So this is what the tool is best for. But do I agree with the price? No. I don't agree anymore. Not for its use. After I found out some things. So that's why I'm not promoting it anymore. The major benefit is the position size calculator, but then again, a lot of things can do that. If you need to pay 165 for it, you don't.
That sounded like a scary movie.
Yeah, I think so. I think Raja angry because I said I don't want to promote already. Magic Keys is the best physical tool for trading. No, it's not. I can easily find 3 other tools that can do what Magic Keys is doing, better and cheaper. I promoted it before. I don't agree anymore. No, actually, the prices increased. And that's version 2. Yeah. When I got mine, I only paid 120 or 130, I think. Then after that, that was version 1. Then version 1 became 1.3 plus. And now it became 1.6 plus. Because it makes you take losses on losses. No. Magic Keys doesn't make you take that. You took the trade. The tool does nothing to help that. if you want to execute, right, magic keys cannot stop you. That prompt that Raja installed it inside, right, will not stop you from executing even if you want to. Yeah, the tool to say 3 trades maximum and whatever nonsense like that. It will not stop you from executing if you want to execute. Yeah, it's useful for partial TP, but there are tools in the market that can do it. I've seen it before. Other things are there like magic keys. Cheaper version. There's just need to go into risk manager. Depends on what you are using. Risk manager MT 4 or 5. But it doesn't matter. So many. It's free. Can do everything. You have free stuff like this. Everything you want you can do. Just that some of them obviously are not as good as the others. So you gotta do a bit of research for that. Yeah. I think there's another one. If you're willing to pay more sum, this thing, is it? I forgot. But you guys can Google. Look, when I googled it, look, so many of them popped up here. So many. So just read the reviews on it. See which one suits your needs. Yeah. What made me so furious about Magic Key? No, I'm not furious. I just as a consumer, as a person who has done some research on the coding behind it. I didn't code it. One of my students coded it. We worked on it together and I realized how overpriced it is. I have my own, I'm not even going to call it magic keys, but I have my own version of that, which I now use. And it has a lot more functions than what magic keys has. That's why to me, as a consumer, I don't agree in that price point anymore. So it's also why potentially I'll just be giving away my magic keys. So I haven't thought of how I want to do it. I'm going to give it away to someone who thinks it's useful. Yeah, I heard people say C Trader has it inbuilt also. See? There's so many tools free. Don't need to buy. Bruno, no. My tool is not ready. I'm not ready to put it up for public use yet because I'm still testing certain things. Until it's stable enough, then I'll launch it. But I can promise everybody it's not gonna be 165. What the fuck? It's not even gonna hit $100. I'm very sure of that. Me and Raja all good, yeah? Why would we be not good? We're just doing our own stuff. Me not promoting his stuff doesn't mean I hate him, yeah? Don't get it wrong. I just don't agree. Plus, and still living with my parents. Yes, you got a point to that. I'm Asian. My culture is different. Now, why is that? I have reasons why I'm living with my parents, yeah? If you don't know my personal story, please don't insult me. I haven't decided what's the reasonable price, but it's definitely not going to be 100. Because I need to discuss this with my coder also. You're 15 and you insulted me about leaving my parents.
What if you're living with your parents? It's different cultures, idiots.
Yeah. Doesn't mean I have to live outside. Because my goals are different. My parents are entirely fine with me living with them. In fact, they want me to live with them.
Exactly.
For
it's your
whatever.
personal-
Yeah, and for whatever reason, I don't have to share it.
Wait. Someone has an issue about you living with your parents.
No, someone has an issue with me living with my parents because I'm 30 plus.
Why do they care?
I don't know.
Why do they care? You're 15 and you care about someone living with their parents, bro. Focus on your exams, bro.
Yeah.
Focus on the next temple you're gonna have. How are you gonna
Focus on graduating high school, bro. Don't go around trying to tell people how to live, G. Tell
Yeah.
you how to live, because that's the key thing for you. Just focus on your shit, fam.
Yep. Focus on puberty.
Bruh.
Mine going to be an online version. Yeah, it is. It sits on the MT5 and the MT4 platform. I don't have it for C Trader. But anyway, like what Blue Chip said earlier, you don't need it for C Trader. C Trader has something. C Trader has something like that inbuilt already. No, Rico, it's not about the age. 15 is a mature enough age to understand what can be said and what cannot be said.
Exactly.
People get married at 15 in other cultures. Yeah.
My mom got married when she was 14.
Yeah. And it's not even about age. Age is a number. It's about your brain and your whether you are being respectful or not. I don't see this person insulting me when he was in my Zoom. You come on YouTube and you insult me, I do not take that very lightly. I don't like it.
We'll see. Bro's only started growing hair on his fucking dick like 2 years ago, and he already starts talking about people and their fucking living situation, bro. Come on, bro.
Well, that's social media for you. The thing is, if you're 15, aren't you not allowed to trade?
Yeah, I was just about to say that.
Sorry, I'm not judging, right? I didn't even say anything. Do what you want.
I don't think you can.
Reminds me of Papa Potato.
Yeah, when he said he was he started when he was like 14, I think.
Yeah. Which is perfectly fine. You can start at whatever age you want. If you have a knack for it, then it's fine. Maybe you're a secret genius.
But it's just like I don't think you can legally open an
Yeah.
account.
You can't. So
Maybe play on demo, yeah, but
nah, Bruno. That's not hurt, man. That's called life lessons. Be rude to someone, you deserve a slap. Simple as that. You go out in public, you be rude to someone, you'll probably get boxed. Or punched in the face. Or maybe stabbed. You're gonna get messed up. I see trader is better than MT4 or 5. It's not better. None. All three platforms have their own pros and cons. None of them are better than the other, to be honest. Yeah, GG is rejecting 150 to 500. Good call, Andy. Andy, you live with me, you need to clean my house, okay? Cannot live for free. You need to be a maid. Or maybe you cook me Maggi goreng every day. Don't want, later I become fat. YouTube, do I have to 1,000 subscribers to broadcast live? I'm not sure. I don't think so. I think I can stream live even with less than that. I just cannot monetize. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, Andy, you need to eat salmon, eh? Can you eat salmon?
Guy hasn't spoken since I told him
Since he
to
got
go for
whipped.
the exams. I guess he's going to study. Good boy. Good boy.
I hope he learned his lesson. Hey Leroy. No, my March has not been very good for me. I hope it has been better for you. Rolling me now. Death by... What's this? Death by around 150. 2238. Hmm? Oh, you want to buy here when it retest to this area. Yeah, so the two areas possibly price could try to retest. This is a minor level to me. It's a 1 hour resistance. I think this looked like it was faking out and then it came back, did a retest and then it continued higher. I don't really count this structure, to be honest. I think the real structure is at 150 to 100. But that's just my view. So if you have this zone here, just watch for price action to come inside here. If it forms support, meets your entry criteria, take the long. Right?
My butt cheeks hurt.
Nah, West, I think it's just no monetization, but live is fine. But you cannot do the live using you cannot do YouTube live using your phone if you have less than 1,000. But if you stream it, I think it works. I think, I don't know, Stunner, for me, right, if you're looking at so I have the same area as you, the resistance. I know you're targeting the area. So the way I'm seeing it, every time price reaches this area, it has a very strong bearish rejection. So to me, I see sellers here waiting to sell it down. I'm not sure if you can push into it though. So if the risk reward is a bit off, I'm not sure about the trade long here. I would rather it do a deeper pullback because this move here, this move and then this pullback like this, right, is not very healthy to me. It might go retrace, go a bit higher and then boom, come back down again. Oh look, I drew an M, Andy. I think it's gonna come down actually. So possible area for me, if I want to look at longs on GU, I will want to go long from like maybe around this area personally. Somewhere 1392. Somewhere around there. Because GU is in a very big range on the higher time frame. These two boxes, the grey lines, they are 4-hour resistance and support for me. So GU is just bouncing up and down inside. If it reaches the top, maybe you can look for sells down. Find the W or M trade. No. I cannot grasp it. But I know some of them here trade it. I just drew it because I'm like, ooh, I drew it up unknowingly. But I'm not good at it. I cannot see. I think the W and the M, you need to use it with, I think people usually use it with Fips. Is it, Andy? Usually use with Fips, right? So you know roughly where it will stop. Or where is like a confluent area. The W and the M. You have to use it with Fips. So you know if the area is stopping at is strong enough, is it? Whereas I think just now, was it Bricky? Yeah, Bricky was talking about Wyckoff just now. Martin, are you there?
Yes.
Why don't, right? Okay, because you know how just now you were saying the RR sometimes don't match up with the structure, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you try, you need to test to see which one works better, yeah? You try the Fips.
What do you mean?
Because the Fips, right, each of their levels is a structure on price usually. Then you see which one will make you feel better while you're in the trade. And which one helps you with your overall profitability better. Use it as target points.
You give me an example.
So like for example, okay, so like for example this one. If I take this trade, right, this swing to this 4-hour low to this high, right, then I enter off the 61. My first target is here. So if you never reach there, structurally, so you have a few options. First is TP1, TP2, and go on from there. So once you hit this, right, you know you can BE your trade already.
Oh.
Something like that. At least this is confirmed structure, because Fips or more often than not there is structure behind it. Because that was what like I considered before. Because like sometimes I also struggle like RR, then I'm like, but I haven't hit the structure, look very weird if I close here. Yeah, so sometimes it messes with me also. So you gotta test. So I'm gonna do my own testing also to see which one helps me better.
Yeah, this one I need to backtest.
Mm.
But my software doesn't have Fips.
Huh?
Yeah, I
The
use
backtesting one?
yeah, I don't use soft for FX.
It doesn't have app. Really?
I think so. I never tried before. Maybe I should try. See whether I have or not.
You have Fips is very basic eh. I think I have. You go and find. Maybe it's called something else.
Okay, let me try.
You have.
So there's only like what two TPs in a way, right?
Some people use it. I've seen lah. But this is like the high probability one. 0 and 27. High probability. Yeah, so TP1, TP2, sometimes
But
it will go until 3. So like for example, you
after
see
that
like
is what?
now my zone, right? You see the 27 lies in line with daily, right? So I know this one hit rate is quite high. So will I TP at 0? No. But will I BE at 0? Yes. Because I use it in confluence with my structure. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. This one I don't know why, I feel better. I don't feel like I loogie on the trade.
Yeah, in a way because you take like a lot of it off already. Like you have a full TP, right?
No, not because of that. You know how last time when I trailed my stop loss by RR, right? Sometimes I will feel like, okay, if I push to
Doesn't make sense.
1 hour back, right? Am I squeezing? Then if I squeeze that I don't want to do, then after I cannot hit stop loss. Yeah, so it's a bit off for me because at the end of the day, right, I prefer to rely on structure more than anything. But I like to know target. So that's the thing I found out about myself. I cannot aim in the dark. When I aim in the dark, my trade management a bit off.
I get it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my software has
Have,
Fibonacci.
right? You just need to set the extensions, because default I think the extensions don't come with it.
But after negative 27, then
61.8.
after that,
Usually after that no more already. After that it will come back. If it still got problem. Usually doesn't go very far. Because it will come back for at least a retrace.
because I feel like if you were to trail by by RR, right? There's a possibility it could go like 10R, 12R.
No, you can still leave the runner. I'm not asking you to close everything. It's just that these are target points where you know, like, okay, so like example, this example is the best one, because if I took this trade here, right, my 0 is here, but if I look at my 0 level, there's nothing to tell me to close. So do I secure here? No. Whereas this one I have a daily, so in my mind, right, I know that this one is better in terms of probability. Yeah, so but I know that this is 0 and this is the previous resistance. I just BE.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how I think about it. I don't know if it makes sense.
No, it does.
It makes me feel better. I don't know why. I think because it makes me feel like it's a bit more objective.
Yeah.
Like there
There's
means
a
there
goal.
already.
There's a goal.
Yeah, correct. There's a goal. Correct. It's like 27 plus daily. You don't close, and if you don't secure here and it come back, right, I cannot cry already because I didn't want to secure, and it's already a high probability area. Something like that.
Yeah, I can try backtesting on the weekends.
Mm.
I have a plan.
Yeah.
See how it goes.
Yeah. That's what I've been thinking of.
Because right now I'm trying the trail by RR, for like 1 month. See how it goes.
But it feels a bit off sometimes, right?
Yeah, there will be like a streak of like either BE or -1%, BE or losses, there will be a streak. Then after that, there will be times where you keep getting like
very big RR.
Yeah.
Yeah, but with this one, there's a potential for very big RR also. So for example, if you take this trade like this, right? Because your RR is dependent on your stop loss, what? So for example, if you enter on the 61.8, right? Assuming you use the lower time frame structure lah. You use, then maybe your stop loss is below this 4 hour here. You go to 27, your R also not bad. 5. I'll take it. 5 okay what? Put below 4 hour support. Can. Good area. IR decent, I think.
Oh, but I do the R, my my profit is 60%.
This one also can. Because the reason why it explodes after that, right, is because above is when the trade keeps running.
Yeah.
And when it exceeds 61 and it doesn't even do a retracement to hit you. Yeah. Then that's how your R will multiply. But it's the same concept actually. You can input it on the... You want to see the settings? You can do a screenshot. Just change it yourself. This is my settings. Ali, if you want it, screenshot. Then I'll put it down. You came back to your area already.
Yeah, I saw.
Longs. Yeah, but this resistance is a bit weak.
Yeah, it literally touched my box and rejected.
Yeah, but look at the way I see it, right? Or you look at this move here. The bearish momentum is quite strong, I think.
Very strong. That's why I'm very scared to
Cannot buy it. Plus the 4-hour candle just closed. Oh, look at that rejection.
Yeah, it's really reacting to that box.
If it pushed up, still closed above the previous resistance, but it rejected the daily levels so freaking hard.
Usually it will touch the box a few times and then go up. That's what I see.
Yeah, that's why you enter on the retest. Then you know the box is holding, right?
Yeah.
But this one I think tough. You really need to retest, if not you'll kena stop loss, I think.
I don't even know where to put my stop loss.
If it retests, then you know already. Now you don't know. Now your stop loss is all the way at the bottom. Because this is the structure now. Here. Which is damn big. Doesn't make sense.
How big is that? It's like what? 30, yeah.
From
It's like
here.
40 plus pips.
Yeah. Ridiculous. Cannot on. Something wrong with your stop loss so big.
I mean, can is can lah. But you gotta chill by RR law.
Flips on 4. I have to place the flip on the just before the impulse that I'm in. Isn't this an extension 2 rig? This is the... I use the retracement tool, not the extension though. This looks like extension. Extensions are harder to predict. So was that an extension or... Because it was going down. This looks like you pull the feed from here to here. So isn't it like this? So just now I put my feed from bottom to top. Yes. Heisenberg, if you're talking about buyer zone, right, on the 1 hour, the buyer zone is not there for me. The buyer zone is here. To me, it's at the bottom here. This area. This area is not really. Because the way I see it, bullish engulfing, and this one make a strong rejection, again rejection and engulf. Same thing, rejected with a lower wick. So boom. That's why I think the buyer's area is below here based on the 1 hour chart. Here there's nothing. This one is just the next. This is just a minor resistance. Price should make higher low. Yes, it can do this. So the way I'm seeing it, right? I think you are aiming for this area because you are expecting the higher low. But it could also tap into this area and still close above here. The fact that this retracement is coming in so deep is a bit worrying for the longs. Because if it breaks 78 and then breaks this area, this was a damn big fake out. Because overall trend based on the higher time frame, daily, weekly, right? Still bearish. Very bearish. Weekly also bearish. This long move, only intraday long bias because it's a pullback. But I don't have very big targets for it. Yeah, Mate Andy is right. You missed a lot of action last week. Last week really showed true colors, yeah.
Really,
Mm,
Was it when I was playing game?
yeah. That's why I had enough already. He asked me for my opinion. Immediately after that he said, let me go check with Raja. There was once he said that also.
Oh.
I was then
Eh,
pissed
what-
off.
What have I come back to now?
Nothing. Tell you.
Wow, FOMO, rewind stream time.
You have room till 1800 on retest daily resistance. Yes, but that doesn't mean that the trend is bullish. I think that gold can come until here, 1780. That's why I'm intraday, I'm willing to buy, but my targets are not very big. I don't think 1800. 1780 I'm more confident. This. Poor Martin, you miss so much.
Yeah, I missed a lot. What?
This 15-minute closing like this on GJ, right? Is very dodgy. Gonna make another. He's gonna push down some more.
Yeah, I can see it pushing down to
Mm.
below 152.
Below how much?
Like 152 area.
Mm. Wow. Because this candle can't even close more than half damn weak. Plus the 4-hour candle is not super convincing on GJ. I think people will want to trade the weak fill.
How?
Enter this one, no? This kind of candle. It's the weak. This whole area here is the weak fill area. But very shallow this retracement. 38. I die more times than I profit. So I don't even bother with 38 feet really.
I think I will buy it if it comes back to 152.
Come back and with close off. With a support forming. Why not? There's news at 8, okay?
Oh,
I say first. I think you forgot. POE. This was the one that made GJ fly to the moon. But this time around, I'm not sure what they're talking about.
wait, what?
The previous meeting, it was the previous BOE, the first one for the year. It was the one that made a damn big candle.
Oh, okay, I remember. Oh,
Yeah, and started the whole
oh.
giant move up.
It was like 141, right? Is it? Or 142?
I remember.
Okay, I remember. I think I remember.
Yeah, there was one giant candle.
It
One
was
of
going
the...
down, right? It was like ranging downwards, and suddenly, boom.
Yes.
It's 141 area or 142.
I forgot where already, but I remember that giant candle. Then Raja was chasing the candle up, remember?
I remember. Yeah. I
Ah,
think
that
it's
was the one.
has to be 141.
So low, oh my god.
Yeah, very low.
It flies so much already.
Wait, not 141. I think it's
Wait, let me find the date. BOE. 4th February. Was it February? Yes. It was.
it was 142.9. Then it flew to 143.9 in 1
Yeah.
hour. Yeah, then I saw it already.
Yeah, this big giant candle.
No lah, it's not that.
Wait, no, not here. This one. No, not this.
No, 142.9.
Wait, this is the daily.
Yeah, go 1 hour. Then you see it clearly.
There?
Yeah.
It's really, this one damn obvious.
Yeah, it was ranging downwards, I remember.
This one was the one that killed me. I tried to go long. I remember I died before that.
Yeah.
And I died at a place where I'm not supposed to cut, then I go cut. Then it come down some more for me. Could have let me BE. Then fly! Oh. Yeah, go where you buying your chicken rice from? Eat the soy chicken rice. Soy. That time you wanted to try soy, right? Soy is a bit like steam, but saltier.
Why is the chicken rice introducing itself in Spanish?
Where?
Soy chicken rice.
Wow. Bruh.
Isn't soy like I am? Right. In Spanish.
Yeah, it's introducing itself in Spanish.
Buntonki. Oh, but buntonki soy not nice.
Is it
No.
nice? Buntonki.
Buntonki not famous for soy.
Wait, I think I tried buntonki. Or is it another one? I forget already. It's the cold chicken rice.
The Bishan one ah.
No. I don't know. Forget already.
I don't think buntonki is famous for soy. They're famous for the steam.
Have you tried before the cold chicken?
The Bishan one is cold.
Is it Bishan one? I forget already.
The ice, they put the chicken in ice.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Wait,
Bishan one.
I tried at Balestier. Yeah.
That one
Chicken.
buntonki.
Yeah. They serve it cold.
Damn expensive that one. That branch down there. Scam tourists one.
Is it? I
So
don't know.
tourists, anybody comes to Singapore, go eat the chicken rice at Balestier, you're going to get scammed. Yeah, I ate there that time. I was like $5 for like freaking roasted chicken rice. Huh? Auntie, 你 okay 吗?
Is that expensive? I don't know.
And it was breast meat expensive.
I thought
Five-
nowadays all
$5.50.
the chicken rice, all expensive one.
No. 3+4, you can get breast meat leh, bro.
I rarely eat chicken rice. So yeah.
No, auntie, tell me $5.50. I'm like, huh? I still ask her. I asked for breast meat and not chicken drumstick. Yeah, $5.50. I'm like, wow,
Was the
scammed.
chicken rice nice?
No. Oh, alchemy fiber. That.
Oh, Evertop. I know Evertop. Evertop is at Geylang. Chuchet.
Wow, backed by government ni
Alchemy fiber.
for diabetics.
Damn.
Why today so many people asking me about magic keys? Do I use magic keys? Not anymore. I even took it off. Let me double check. Maybe because I'm going to give my away. But I haven't even announced anything. I haven't even decided how I want to give it away. I took it off already. Last time I used to have, like when you come to my page, the first video you see is the magic keys tutorial video. I took it off. I also took off the affiliate link, I think. If I'm not wrong.
Is that Wilson?
Hmm?
Look at his DP.
This one? The botak one?
No, Wilson.
Where?
Yeah,
Zoom.
the video.
Is that Wilson? Damn. Wilson, why are you singing?
Wait,
Wilson, I need to pin you.
I send you the video. Hold on.
Oh, this is the one you made of me. You little idiot. Of me
Bro.
singing.
Bro, my friend put me onto that app. It was the best decision I ever made in my life.
Let's see.
To
Okay, very
download it.
shook thing. Bro, stick to this wallpaper. No more changing.
No, I can't stop looking at it.
Wait, let me send the video. Hold on.
What even by my eyes is sharp? It's there. It's moving.
No, it's not on my thing. I think how come y'all can see? I can
'Cause
only
my-
see this row of people.
I
Huh?
don't know why Wilson is on my row.
Oh, I don't even have it as a row. I got it in
The top part.
the side part. So you know on the right side of my screen.
Yeah, but Wilson is not on my screen. He's like below. But for that, I'll put him above. What is he singing?
I don't know. Play video on Discord.
Music, wait.
Mm-hmm.
Let me mute everything first. Damn. Oh, cannot. I muted my mic also. Wow, heng. That one confirm I get copyrighted so fast. Umba ai. It's a bit distracting. There's some time to go below. I need to put all those with still pictures. Gold is sitting on the 61 feet. But it's not at the... Ugly, the shot. Somewhere around this resistance. Oh my god. Peter ate a cockroach before. Eee. Oh, he drank a cockroach before. Oh, look at GG. He never buy. Coming down. The headshot. And headshot. Headshot. Not moving. Maybe GJ is gonna range until BOE. Because BOE is in another 2.5 hours. Did I win any trade today? No. Dre, I'm not even trading the rest of the week already. I'm done. Plus on GG there isn't any entry. Neither was there for me on Go. Oh wow. Giant, why do you sell here? Really low though. I'm not sure what the yellow lines are, but if you're selling here, right, this is a support. So this is the nearest support, then I don't know what the yellow lines are. Double top break and retest on lower time frame. Which time frame? A clear downtrend. A clear downtrend. On the daily, I see support here. 475. That's about how many pips away? 80. I don't know. Personally, there you could say that there's some move here, but there's also resistance here. So if you're trading this little bit of space, because it is about 80 pips, I think. I mean, it might work, but it's kind of at the end of the move to me. I think I'm talking about this. Something like this down the top. Yeah, I'm not sure. Because if you look at the lower time frame, right, and you're trading it based on the lower time frame, this area would be a concern for me. So 30, 15 should have the same structure. This area here is a bit of a concern. Yeah, I don't want to cloud your judgment, so I shall not say anything more. I think you're already in. Why am I done? Because I took 3 consecutive losses. So for me, that's part of my rules not to trade anymore. 3 consecutive days of losses in a week, that's enough for me.
You bless. You bless.
Damn. I really don't understand why my dad has to sneeze so loudly. Does sneezing louder make you feel better?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know. I'm conflicted on gold now. Because we closed back below 1740. And on the 1 hour there's a small support made around like 1745, 44. And there's also a 61.8 around the area as well.
What again? Wait, sorry, I got distracted by the chat. Repeat.
Bruh.
Sorry.
Bruh. No. Rerun the YouTube.
No.
Wow, okay.
快点啦！什么？
Hold on. Hold on. I scared of over here.
Oh,
For
you
the
buy
long.
from here.
Yeah. Because there's a 61.8 round there as well. If you swing from here to here.
Oh. No, but the key thing about this support forming now, it must close strong. Look at this candle.
Yeah.
It's going to form within the previous candle. That's not a good sign.
It's not even engulfing.
Not a good sign.
Because what could easily happen as well, yeah, is that it pushes up to retest that area and then New York comes.
Go 1 hour. Oh, you're talking about this candle here. This is the buy signal. I don't know. This has, if this support forms, plus if you feel that this is a rejection candle to the daily area, daily previous resistance and off the 61 feet, then yeah, you have a lot of confluence to go along. But for me, I feel more comfortable when this candle closes strong. Other than that, I'm going to stay away. You don't have to take it very far, Lexi. Just take it to the structure, it's fine as well. It's gold. Look how many pips from here. Ooh,
Wait.
145.
Only 45, damn. Let's say the 1 hour candle engulfed the body of the previous bearish one. If I was to squeeze the stop of it, it would be like 53 pips. If I was to keep it below the bearish wick, it's about 78 around there. So even to long it back up to that structure, it's not worth.
This headshot coming. Shot.
Oh, an EA. Ooh.
Needs to hold first though. I want to send Andy something. I don't think this will pain him a lot. But never mind, I will still send it. Oh, you know the person that asked me to get profile on Yahoo Finance? I decided not to do it.
How come?
It looks a bit like those kind of sites that I was showing you before. The one where it looks a bit paid.
Yeah.
Yeah, I decided not to do it. Oh, finance. Yeah, the person asked me to. I show you the article. He asked me whether I wanted to be written up for this article. Then he showed me the previous article that they published before. That I'm like, no, you're not really a legit like Forex source. So, nah, I don't need an article to be published like that about me.
Oh, social aim solutions. Okay.
Yeah.
That's what it says. Something else.
Yeah. So when he showed me the article, I was like, okay, never mind. I'm just gonna reject him. Oh, 1 hour on gold looks like it's gonna close weak. But I'm not. Still a forecast. There's still a lot of time before the 1 hour closes. You know what? I have something worse to send to Andy. Confirm freak out. Send. I'm sure you have some.
Give me a sec. Yes, I have.
Is GG's quitting support? Looks like
On
it,
the
right?
hour.
On the 30-minute also. It's engulfing after breaking the low.
Of the... This is a 50 fib. 50 fib at the previous resistance area.
Martin, are you gonna buy it?
I'll see how.
See how the hour closes. Hour or 30.
9:42. 2 hours and like 18 minutes, I think.
Then like damn a lot. Indy, are you there? Andy. Oh, Andy, see I want to ask you something. Can you look at this part? Can you look at the bottom part of my screen? Andy ignored me. Oh, okay, fine. Never mind. Let me take photo for you then. Creeping downtrend on the 5 minutes. I think if you're looking at the 5 minutes, this bullish engulfing should be giving you a bit more confidence that maybe the buys are coming. But again, I would rather wait for the hour to close. Because 2 big hourly candles. Sorry, 1 big hourly candle rejecting the daily level.
Wait, let me show mine. I'll piss him off.
Oh, and this one's so clean. And it's only one page. It doesn't even have apps. Is this a real phone? Is it a toy phone? It's a fake phone. Wow, Alexis' phone gives me.
You.
Ew,
Android.
there's
You.
holes. Oh man, this one making my head explode also.
You.
You didn't even put the icons. Oh, I
You.
can't.
Mobile Legends bang bang. You.
I need to delete that game. I don't even play it anymore.
I didn't know that people outside of the Southeast Asia plays Mobile Legends.
Have what? You got different server, no?
I didn't know.
Yeah.
GJ is waiting for the BOE news, Esther. It's coming up. This one is in 2 hours. So if you check your Forex Factory based on your own time zone, you'll see this. It's waiting for this. Chill first. And fire after, safer. Oh wait, no. Not as safe. Tomorrow there is BOJ in Asia. So trade carefully.
This week a lot of news.
This week was trenches.
Next week is last week of the month, last week of the quarter. GG.
Oh, so fast.
Yeah.
Gonna end next week with a bang. I have a bang to my account. Or a good bang. Big bang. Big bang
Mobile
attack.
Legends bang bang.
Andy, I need the apps. Like that. I also only have one page. I just put them in the boxes. At least it's in the boxes. Imagine if it's not. I think this is worse actually.
I is botak.
Oop, DJ not forming for you. Oh, also not forming. GGG. Yeah, just wait. Today there is no. Oh wait, there's jobless claims later.
I'm gonna pretend I didn't see that.
Do it.
News cannot affect me if I don't acknowledge it exists.
Stop loss cannot affect me if I don't put it in.
Or somebody say Bank of England interest rates, bro. I don't know what that is. This can't affect me if I cannot read.
I cannot tell whether Andy is serious. Maybe he never even take Andy bluff you.
think it might come down more.
Oh, mayday. Mayday,
It's
mayday.
breaking. It's breaking a 30-minute support. Oh, what time is it?
Almost 6.
Oh, look at
Why?
you. Why that kid always have to be so loud?
The key is all the way downstairs, by the way.
I know. Can you like throw a brick and hope for the best?
Bro, throwing a brick tomorrow, I will be in jail already.
No. Just
You
say
will
it
see
was
the police coming to my house now, and then I'll get handcuffed on stream.
how many people are below you? They can't just go and assume it's you.
It's super easy to spot, bruh.
No.
If I live in the middle of the block, right, it's still harder to spot. I live literally the top floor.
Just say it was your
My flower pot dropped.
Yeah.
But the kid is really far away.
Bro, wasn't it supposed to rain?
It already rained.
Ah, fuck.
You know the MF people, because I never opened my Zoom, then they all went to loop. They're like, where's Luke? They're hunting around for different Zooms.
Wait, Luke? Who's Luke?
Yeah. He always posts his Zoom link in London now. I think he started his own stream also.
I don't even know who that is. It's been so long since I actually properly look at Slack.
Yeah. You're asking, no Zoom? Where's Luke? Where's Luke? Panic.
Those people are still gulag people, man. Like they need the Zoom to trade.
Why?
I don't know. Ask them, not me.
Got this trade this week. All set up. Got 3 trade range for 2 days. You do something wrong, or did the market just play you? You didn't do anything. I think you read the trend wrongly. There were only buys. So, wait, who's Bruno? You look at the candles, right? Look at the structure starting from this channel that you drew. Bro, look at the bullish candles. They are so big. Bullish, engulfing, push down again, engulfing. Look, only buys. Yeah. Plus, follow the higher time frame trend. It's long bias. Who's that?
Wow, L, you're such a good artist.
Bruh, I'm gonna open this on the other stream.
What the fuck?
Wow, this is my art. No, it's not. Damn. Ooh, this thing is 2,000 pounds.
Eh?
The cat at the dressing table. Damn.
Expense.
No, I think, Jason, I think this will be what? This will be... This one. This will be what will happen if I draw in my right hand. A splush of pain. I cannot draw for shit. Andy, what are you searching, man? Oh, this is clearly not me. Why her surname Wong? She not Chinese?
Maybe she married a Chinese man.
Oh, maybe. I'm not born in 1975. Okay, Andy. He's damn bored. That's my take on NFT. Don't know why it is. I saw Gary V talking about it. I didn't even bother. NFT. What is it?
Isn't it like digital art?
Non-fungible token.
It's digital art, I think.
Oh.
I saw this guy. His name is Idubs. I don't know whether you guys know him.
No.
He's selling.
Hey,
he's
this
selling
cat.
You should see his Twitter. He sold an NFT of his ball sack.
Ew.
Like he like he took a picture. He don't search it up.
No, obviously not. How do you...
Not even gonna describe it.
Bro, it's a ball sack. You don't need to describe it.
No, it's not it's not a. I don't know how to say. I don't even want to say it. You know the bat wings? Like the wings of a bat?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Something like that.
No, but why is this sellable now? Is it because they attach like a crypto to it?
I don't know. It's like digital art, I guess.
Oh, hey, Pokemon card. Oh no, it's not.
It is.
No, it's Logan Paul.
Yeah, but he made it into like a Pokemon card kind of thing.
Damn. GJ is not. GJ needs to close bullish first. None of the time frame is closing bullish. Even the 15 is not strong enough. It's at areas of support. I have the 50. I also have the 61. I also have the 78. I prefer the 78. My zone is stronger there. I'm just waiting. Actually, I'm not even trading. But if I were to trade, I'll wait around here. On the higher time frame. NF. No money. Cannot buy NFT.
Non-farm T-rolls.
What is... Never mind, it's gonna be a very long conversation. Blockchain
Say it.
summarized.
I don't know. Something to do with crypto. That's it.
Ah, much info. Okay. LCDs, close. Head exploded. I can't even handle my currencies. I can't take on something else. No, Martin, he said the Pikachu. Is it a NFT Pikachu?
I don't know.
The Pikachu NFT. Pikachu NFT.
Biga biga.
Rude. Why are you grunting? So I got rid of them.
Who?
Are you an owl?
Yes.
Oh, this one. I saw before.
I want
Yeah,
to
I
see.
saw it.
Oh. Okay. Oh.
Okay,
Thanks,
I show
Wilson.
you.
I'm below 18. Oh. Pikachu be fat.
Fake.
Thick.
Bruh, look at Pikachu's bunda. Bruh.
Huh?
Look at Pikachu's bunda.
What's bunda?
S.
What is S bunda?
I don't know. I don't make the rules.
What language is that?
It's a slang.
Damn. I feel old now.
No, I don't think it's slang in the UK.
Wow, gee, look at goals. Support.
Loud.
It's gross. I heard, I feel good. No?
Yeah, you did.
Tell soy rice.
My name is I am Rice.
What is Wo Jiao?
I am called. 我 is me. Or I am. 叫 is
No,
called.
it's 我的名字.
Oh my days, woe is
Depends.
me.
Same thing. Did I catch the drop on goal? No? How to
How
catch?
to catch? It just happened.
How to catch? This morning.
You have a dirty mind, Al, that's why.
I'm not. I don't know what you're talking about. You have a dirty mind to have a reaction. Haha, caught you.
Damn, Daniel.
Frankfurt open. How to catch this? Let me see. Rejection of my 4-hour resistance. I don't know, man. I don't think I would have taken the shot because to me, if gold broke out of this consolidation here, right? If it broke out of this area here, to me, I would want to break, retest, buy. So I would rather wait for the buy. I don't want to trade it down. Because I don't know how deep it will come down. Or if it might mess with my risk reward. So I rather trade with the trend, the intraday trend. So I rather wait here to buy. So the 1 hour earlier close with support, but to me is very weak. But there are confluences here. Daily zone for me, 61 1 hour feet. 2 strong areas. So if you think this is strong enough support, buy stop loss below. That's the structure. On the 5 minute, oh. Nah. Not for me. Breaking support here. That's really low. If you already wanted to sell it, right? Did you have a resistance there? Oh, okay. It. And this one is the best. I'm not going to delete that. EA. EA coming back to test.
Digimon. YouTube chat, Freighter goes, about 25,000 people are dying of hunger now. They'll be gone before you go to bed. Data Wolf Gene trading tough. Lol. Out of context.
With that, person has left the chat. What does simp mean? I feel so old.
Search it up.
No, it looks like a bad word.
Search up on the other screen.
Silly or foolish person?
No.
Oh. How will you do that? What will you do?
I don't know. I'm a simp for gold, but she's not giving me anything right now, so I'm unsimping.
Wow. So practical. Who needs to calm down more? Get the 4 hour. How would you go long into such a big, strong bearish candle that closed back below the resistance? That is scary.
I think it's gonna come down. Yeah, definitely gonna come down
Mm.
even more. I think it could correct. It might end up correcting the thing, the FOMC news.
Yeah. The fact that it came down and closed below my resistance, I don't like it. Long yet. I need a strong close.
I just bit my tongue. Ow.
Yeah, there's still news later. There's POE. I think that's why it will still range for a bit. Dun. On the pound pairs. Ranger danger. Then on the US on gold, unemployment. On a $10,000 account, how much lots would 2% be? Ray, if you don't know this, it means you have not been sizing properly. Gotta use a position size calculator. Because it depends on your stop loss, right? Where's the gap? Is there a gap on gold? For you?
Wait, where? When?
No, your chip said there's a gap.
Oh, and I see. Wait, let me see. Wait, I don't have my broker open.
No, it's not 0.1 lot, bruh. It depends on the size of the stop loss. Don't bluff him. You're going at 0.1 lot.
Yeah, under risking.
Blue chip is teaching him. So
Is there a gap on gold?
I don't know. Blue chip said there was. Latest dot trade. Nephew Sam launched this. But the guy who made the free simulator, he did this also. Account balance 10,000. Risk percentage 2. Stop loss pips 10. GPP, JPY. Calculate. Ta-da!
Oh yeah, on my IC there was a gap on gold in the morning.
Oh. A 1 hour?
Yeah.
Yeah, whoever wants this website.
With GG closes bullish on 30.
Oh.
Looks tasty.
Go back up, right?
Yep.
Let's see how the 15.
Where am I at?
Yeah, the movement stopped already. See, bearish, bearish, bearish. Stopped by the bulls. Probably got chance. In the 30-minute close. 17:30. Have a gap.
Oh, I have a gap
1 hour, right?
for goal 15. It's like a
15.
It's not a big gap, no.
Wait, what? Just now?
No, I have the gap on goal is at 17:44 for me.
Mine's at 17:45 to 17:46.
Yeah, there. See. Cool. Oh, but Wender never has gaps. Let's see. Forex.com. F. True. But the person got gap leh. That's a gap, right? Yeah. This is not mine, this is nephew Sam's. So if you all are looking for a free simulator, this one here, this guy, he created one. Yeah, he created this backtesting tool. Yeah, you can go and follow him and then go find out about the backtesting tool. It's free. Ooh, Martin, you might get your buys.
No, this is just the liquidity. You've got to come down with the news. Trust. Then it's gonna fly off the news. Trust. But I'm not the market maker, so I don't know anything.
Russ.
Twas.
100.
Twas.
Twice. Everybody loves to talk about the 15-minute, but no one loves to talk about the 45-minute.
Left. Legit candle. Got 10 more minutes. But Martin, the risk reward like not very good.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah. Unless you
squeeze,
wanna... No, you don't squeeze, but you just like... Unless you just scalp it to the top more. Because this is the structure, right? Actually, you know what? If you enter... Oh, but you haven't tested the 27. Okay, never mind. You try at least small one. Small runner.
But I would have entered at the 61.8 what?
You?
If I were to do the flips.
I got 61, it stopped at 50 for me.
Yeah lah, but in the end also I can't.
This one very big in the candle.
Unless I took a trade on the 50 for some reason.
Without confirmation.
Yeah. Actually, there is
There is a 15 minute.
Yeah.
And it flip bullish. That's if you trust this zone.
I trust the zone.
If you trust the 250 zone. I didn't. I trust the 100 zone.
I'm beginning to trust like zones like more. After like trading
Seeing it more times.
Backtesting it.
Easier also. Like just wait there. Wait at the bus stop.
I'm thinking of gold going to 1728 to the bias area.
Think of gold going to 1720.
But my overall bias is gonna go to 1700 or even lower than that.
Maybe it's on my zone. I don't know. For me, if you want to buy there, right, the bullish confirmation needs to be quite strong, I think. Because it broke back into the range.
I've been sells the whole time. Sell bias.
And you wait for it to come back in. And maybe you got an even better sell. Sell all the way down. But the problem is 1680 is a weekly support, if I didn't remember wrongly. Yeah, it's a weekly support.
Yeah, that would be my like end goal, you know. Yeah.
I won't go to hold like 1730 for long. What's up? So 1765. What board might say, oh no, fuck you, do.
Can I draw a zone in consolidation? It will be minor levels on the smaller time frame. So for example, consolidation here, right? This kind, I don't even bother with like minor zones. I just go to the 1 hour and above, and I just draw the top and the bottom, and I don't trade in the middle. It's like death. But if the zone is very big, like on GU is possible. It depends on the zone, size of the zone. GU 4 hour. Like this whole area is consolidation, right? Yeah. Top. Bottom. To me, this is what I see. So in between there are minor levels. If I drop down to the 1 hour, I can see like this area here, resistance, price faked out, came back, level here. I use the 1 hour mostly. It's easier to see my bigger zones. If not, my charts will get very cluttered, and I don't take very small trades anyway, so I don't really need the smaller zones if I don't want to take small trades.
Wait, who's Dabian?
Isn't that you?
Is that you?
Didn't change my name to that.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I
Dabian.
didn't.
Wanna get it on the break of the week as high as possible. Damn.
I'm bored.
Sell now. See, you broke the week already. You never sell. Oh, late.
Yeah, this could be a good sell. I'll sell it. Hold on.
Sell, then
Where's
got clean candle, you see?
Where's my pen? I'll
Clean candle.
sell. Order sold here. Stop loss here. TP over here. Yeah, that
Clean
would have
move.
been a good sell. Clean candles on the left. Take it down.
Mhm.
Fill the embed. Oh wait, wrong strategy. Fill the clean candles on the left.
If it goes back to your entry, that means the trade did not work at all.
Just close. Just close once you come back to the entry.
The thing is, if you sell this and it bounces off the feed level, GG.
The 78.6, right? I want it to bounce off there for the longs. Back up.
But the thing is, the 78 doesn't have structure.
That's the thing.
It doesn't. Unless, like,
It
you're
doesn't
looking
have.
at
It
this
doesn't have
support.
like. It doesn't have like most like really recent structure unless you look at like
Yeah. Like this.
16th March.
Like this is the fake out. Or liquidity grab, whatever you want to call it. Support. Grip. I knew you were going to do it, so I did it to myself first. Shut up. 622. This is gold.
What year?
622. At the bottom?
No, I think he's talking about GJ.
Oh. That sounds like 622. Yeah, I think.
Wait, 152.622 or 151.622?
51.
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, I see.
Wow, if it's 51. If this is the tip that you drew, then you will not. I would not take this. It might go up to this area. Unless you want to scalp it, then you will take this minor area here. Then
Made a new high. So it could still pull back more before retesting it.
remember
Or
yesterday?
before going up to the high.
Remember yesterday?
No.
Made a
no.
new high and another high, and then it smacked our stop loss.
Yeah, no.
I
That's
trust
why.
this zone a lot. 152, 200.
Bro, I don't even trust human beings, so I'm not going to trust numbers. have trust issues with GJ.
Okay, I'm waiting. I'm not trading, but if I were, right, I'll be waiting around the 4-hour zone at 100.
Yeah, the 50 area too.
Yeah, depending on how you pull the feed. Whether, because I like to pull it from the latest swing. So for me, the latest swing is here. So if I pull it like that, then it's around the 78. If you do it like this on the entire move, then it's the 50. But both are like key
no, it's
fit
just
areas.
different time frame. The first one was the 1 hour swing. The second one is the 4 hour swing. Yeah, if you take it from
okay.
622 to 558.
And you have confluence of the Veeps.
Oh, it's breezy.
But no, I'm not looking for sales yet. Easy?
I can't change my name. Wow.
Why, Tapian?
Do you think it was risky using like the most recent 4-hour new support?
Again? You're a bit soft.
Like the new 4-hour support, you know, the one
This
that I
one,
broke. Yeah.
Risky to buy from
like
there?
Yeah, because I saw like a perfect basing on that on the 15-minute, it made like a perfect break and retest. But yeah.
Yeah, for me, I am not sure about this support. Sorry, the resistance. Yeah, I'm not sure about it. Because for me, right, on the 4-hour, what this actually looks like is... Because this candle, this next bullish one, right, it didn't close very strong above this. And then it made a rejection to my daily area also. So I still think it's bullish because it broke the highs, right? But it needs to come down lower for me to buy it again.
Okay. Thank you.
And that's why I think this level might not be the major resistance. It still might be this one. Yeah, that's how I'm reading the structure. I think this one will go to the daily level again, then come back down. Let's see what's still not very good. 16 for 15. Oh damn. Go is longer around 1730. I think Freighter is bought.
It's a nice piece of art.
He made a dartboard.
No, he made an NFT.
Damn, sell it.
You can sell it.
Sell it.
You know what? I'm gonna send my chart to the Slack.
Bye.
Let me send my chart to the Slack. Hold on. I forgot my Slack. Okay. Fuck. Shit, I need to hide the fibs.
Guys. The gulag in the Slack is panicking. Seeing them scramble is damn funny. Like, where's Raja? Where's Raja? Like meerkats. Oh! Him to make me money. Heisenberg, I'm not really sure about the gold buys yet. To edit. Even the 1 hours. I don't know what time frame we're looking at. 1 hour support was very, very weak. In nope. 15, the bearish candles are still bigger. They're overpowering the bullish candles, so no buys for me yet.
Okay, I sent my chart to the Slack.
They don't even care.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Give it some time.
Change your name to something else.
Well, what chart do you send them?
Short.
Do you sell it at a low?
Yes.
Okay, then they will understand.
I didn't
They
even know how
care
to
about
change.
you.
Oh, wow, so rude. So you see my chart, you don't even give feedback. Oh, wow. I see how it is.
No, because they are more interested in the buys on GJ. They want to get in on this. Ew.
Bro, look at the weekly. Why would you buy a GJ so high, man? There's like no
No.
structures. Your stop loss is massive.
The thing is, the trade already left. Why are you still looking to enter?
It's just impulse entry, man. What weekly impulse entry, damn.
They entered and then they cut the trade. Oh my god, what's happening? Entered rejection, cut the trade. Wow.
Oopsies. I hope it flies.
Wow, Sergio. Bye bye. Go on then. Raja's on. Hmm. Raja is not even on. He's not even on Slack.
El, will you be on until New York?
Yeah, I'm leaving the Zoom on.
For YouTube, I mean.
No, no more already. They don't really need me. Every time I see the stream, right, the moment Raja comes on, it's like half the thing gone. And for what I run the stream. I can see my analytics. It's more than half gone eh. So I know that I'm just a waiting room. So I'm not gonna bother.
After Raja's done, would it come back?
I don't know, my stream not on, so I don't know. But last time when I left it running the whole way, right? Yes. They came on. So my chart literally looks like this. Like then Raja come on. After Raja's done. Up again.
M pattern.
Yeah, damn sad. I feel like a waiting room. So fuck it. No more. Can't be bothered already. Wonder what would the people do if the bank suddenly disappeared? They will blow their accounts. Better to trade my analytics, yeah. I decided to just rest because since it didn't really make sense for me to run the YouTube stream, so I just rest. Or I focus on the Zoom people. Oh, you know what? Maybe my YouTube thing exploded again because Raja's not on.
Oh
Let's
shit!
see.
Oops. Wait. I forgot
See.
you can't. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm at 131.
Eh?
Yeah, it's increasing because Raja's not on. I'm the only stream on now.
Oh no.
Yeah, okay, I will. I just need a bit of a break first. My losing streak is really like messing with my mental, man. I will kick Alexi out. The distraction.
Wow. 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 Okay.
Joe, this your for you. You waited. Yeah, because like I said just now, right? If you think this is a resistance, and you had the support forming, plus you also had confluence from the 4-hour closing bullish, right? Then yeah, I think it's an okay trade because your TP is at the structure. It's fine. And you place the stop loss correctly also. Yeah, see? And I like where you secured some because you saw a minor support here. So I think you managed to trade quite well.
Ooh, that's a good trade.
It's a good trade. You had a lot of confluence, so I think it's a good trade. Oh, waiting room time. Nobody's asking me.
How do I join the Zoom?
You can't.
Find it.
No, you can't. You literally cannot join the Zoom now. Like I closed it
Oh, you
already.
took it off?
Yeah, I closed it for the time being. Alexi,
Hey,
you change your name to Pigutong. No, you need to change it to I am Pigutong.
Oh yeah.
So every time
Yeah.
people tag you, they're calling themselves Pigutong.
Wait, I'll change it to in Mandarin. Hold on. What is my full name? Chia.
My internet was down. Oh, they're panicking. It's damn funny. They're like headless chickens inside. Where's Raja? Where's Raja? He's only 8 minutes late and they all panic. Oh, the poor guy cannot even sleep in. Where Raja at? I'm gonna put a sign. Where? Yeah. People, the original members of the Slack are like, oh my god, this is
They're
not
like, oh my
Gulak.
god, look
Please,
at these
guys.
black people.
Yeah, those who need Raja, he's coming on. Okay, calm your tits, guys.
Wait.
Calm your tits. And with that, I'm gonna go off. Bye bye, YouTube. To the regulars, like what we discussed just now, I am looking for on Go. I'm not touching GJ until after the BOE news, so I'm looking for Go to either form support around 17:30 if I want to take my longs, but nothing in between this area. Okay? KO. Bye bye. Trade safe, please. There's BOE today, there's BOJ tomorrow. So please manage your trades.